This demonstration will show you how to access BrainFuse HelpNow from the Columbus Metropolitan Library's website. HelpNow is an online school help resource that offers live tutoring, learning resources, and study tools. Today, we will be covering live tutoring, Writing Lab, and Skill Surfer, which are just 3 of HelpNow's services. Begin at the School Help page on the library website. Use your mouse to navigate to the blue BrainFuse HelpNow logo and click on it. You will then be redirected to the HelpNow website. If you would like live tutoring, start by clicking on the live tutoring option on the left-hand column. Then select your grade and subject and click Get Live Help. If you would like to communicate in Spanish during tutoring, you can click this box to be paired with a Spanish-speaking tutor. HelpNow will open a whiteboard meeting room for you with a tutor ready to help. You will be able to utilize text, audio, and video chat in the meeting room, in addition to a digital whiteboard complete with drawing and mathematical tools. Live tutoring is available every day from 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. Next is the Writing Lab, which allows you to submit an essay to be reviewed by a HelpNow writing tutor. Begin by clicking Writing Lab from the homepage. For this option, you will need to create an account, which you can do by clicking the Sign Up link. You will be prompted to create a username, password, and password hints before proceeding. These can be anything you choose and are not linked to any of your Columbus Metropolitan Library accounts. When you're finished, click Next and you will proceed with the essay submission. The first step is to attach your document, which can be uploaded from your computer, from CloudPack, or from Whiteboard. For step 2, you can add comments if you wish. This would be a good place to explain your assignment to the tutor and request specific help with things like your thesis, grammar, and organization. Finally, step 3 prompts you to click the blue Submit icon, which will send your essay to a tutor. You should receive a response in your message center within 1 business day. You can access your message center by clicking the link in step 4. Next, we'll be covering the Skill Surfer, which can be used to access study tools and lessons for all ages. Use your mouse to click Skill Surfer, and you will see a new page listing levels of education from 3rd grade up to high school, college, and beyond. Click the listing that includes your grade, which will cause it to expand and display specific subject help by grade level. Today, let's click on Upper Elementary School and take a look at the study tools for 3rd grade math by clicking on Grade 3 Math. From here, you'll be able to choose from a number of practice tests and modules designed to help you practice specific concepts. Modules include video tutorials and practice sections to help you understand even the toughest concepts. As you can see, HelpNow offers many great features to keep your learning on track. If you have a question but don't know where to find the answer, you can click Send Question and have your question answered by an expert. You can also use the Language Lab to get live help for language learners, or use Meet to open a private digital meeting room to study with your friends and classmates. Now you know how to use HelpNow to access live tutoring and study tools. If you need more help using this resource, please chat with us on the School Help page, text us at 614-810-4457, or call 614-645-2275. Thank you for watching.